Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we're gonna see AWS CloudFront Origin Access Identity. This video is part of AWS certification tip. When we configure AWS CloudFront for S3 buckets, where we have hosted our static website in S3, we want our users to access our website only through CloudFront, and we want to restrict direct access to Amazon S3 bucket. How do we do this? In AWS CloudFront, we have a special user called Origin Access Identity. While configuring CloudFront distribution, we could enable that and go and create a new Origin Access Identity user or select existing Origin Access Identity user, so that what happens is in S3 there will be a policy created for Origin Access Identity when we select that. So that policy will only allow requests from CloudFront, so that if anybody directly trying to access Amazon S3 bucket, that is restricted. And this is how we restrict direct access to S3 with help of Origin Access Identity. Right now I am in CloudFront dashboard, and I already created a distribution before. If you scroll down in the left hand side, under security we could see Origin Access Identity. So I have an identity created here. So if you want to create new identity, you could simply go and create a new access identity, put the name and create. So once you have this access identity, so while configuring distributions, let's say you want to configure a new CloudFront distribution by selecting S3 bucket as a origin server. Okay, so we see this option restrict bucket access. So you say yes, you get Origin Access Identity option. You could use existing identity, the one which is already there, or you can directly create a new Origin Access Identity user. This is a special user, okay, using which we can set up a policy in S3 to access, to allow only from CloudFront, not the users to directly access S3 bucket. Now let's move on to S3 bucket. I'll show the policy which is actually updated. See, just this is an example distribution, but let me cancel this. I already have a distribution pre-created. If I go there and go to origins and origin groups, select or click on edit. See, for that distribution, Origin Access Identity, I said use an existing identity. Okay, so the bucket is kamana.com and the identity is this. So let's go to that bucket. Let's head over to permissions and see this bucket policy. So principal, that's a CloudFront user. This is a special user. And what it says, who can get object from S3? Only a CloudFront can get objects from this S3. So this is how we are restricting direct access to S3, and we are forcing the users to go through a CloudFront URL. So this specific concept very often shows up in a certification exam. So thanks for watching.